Hey, it's Miranda with SimplyFilters, and today we're talking about something kind of gross but super common: a wet air filter. Yep, if you pulled it out and it feels damp or soggy, that's not normal. Let's break it down. A wet air filter usually means there's a moisture problem somewhere in your HVAC system, and that's something you don't want to ignore. Here are the most common reasons. 1. A clogged condensate drain line. That's the little pipe that drains away the water your AC pulls from the air. If it gets blocked, the water backs up and your filter might be the first to soak it up. 2. High humidity or poor ventilation. If your system isn't pulling moisture out of the air properly, condensation can build up and hit the filter. 3. Frozen evaporator coils. They can thaw and drip water right into the filter. We're actually talking more about that tomorrow, so give us a follow. It's like having a leaky water bottle in your backpack. Your notebook isn't supposed to be wet, but it's the first thing to soak it all up. Same idea here. So if your filter is wet, replace it ASAP and check for any signs of water around your unit or vent. And if you're not sure, a quick call to an HVAC pro can save you a bigger headache later. Thanks for hanging with me on SimplyFilters.